Okay, boys and girls, when we start, you're going to get a white piece of paper like this, a pencil, and you're going to be using markers, except you're not going to use brown and black. So we're going to put those to the side for now. Okay, when you start, we're going to make shapes in the middle. We're going to make 6 shapes. Maybe I make a small circle here and a square here. Now look, I'm in the middle. I try to make I pretend like I make a line going down the paper, and I'm working away from the side because I'm gonna make bigger shapes around it, like this. I make a bigger shape circle around that, and then maybe I make a square. Then around this one, maybe I make a circle, and then an oval. And then in the middle, I'm gonna make more shapes. I'm gonna make a shape like this. Maybe I make a diamond with a circle around it, with a square around that. Then maybe I make a triangle with a square with a circle. Do you see how I'm making shapes inside of a shape, but I'm making the little shape first? Last but not least, rectangle, circle, diamond, and over here, oval. Oops, I made the outside, so I'm going to make another oval inside and a square in there. Now, so I have 6 shapes. Now I'm going to start coloring them in. When I color them in, I'm just going to use different colors, and I'm going to use my 3-star coloring, which means I outline the shape first, then I color it in all the way. I didn't use the very tip of my marker. I used the side of my marker. So if I use that orange there, you know what? I'm going to make this one orange. Actually, I'm going to make the outside. So I'm not making all the insides orange. Sometimes I'm doing orange on the outside. Okay, and I would pick maybe 3 or 4 colors to use and repeat. So there's orange there, and then in this one, maybe I'll make orange on the outside. So now I'm coloring it in. Look, guys, 3-star coloring is when you color the whole thing in neatly and there's no white left. Okay? Then maybe I'll switch to another color, like red. And in this one, I'll make red on the inside on this one. And maybe I'll make red on the inside on this one. And maybe I'll make red on the outside of this one. So you can see I'm using the colors over and over. Guys, when you color in with a marker, you've got to take your time and color slowly. I use the side of my marker, because if I use the side of my marker, I can color more at one time than if I use just the tip of the marker. And you've got to color in slowly. You've got to give the ink a chance to come out of the marker. No, this is ink because it's a marker. Because it's ink coming out of a marker. Then, so maybe I'll use this one here, and I outline, I color in. Okay. Then, once we're done all cutting them out, once we're done coloring them all in, we'll cut them out. Okay. Here we go.